Achieving perfectly washed and dried laundry is effortless thanks to this clever and convenient AEG washer-dryer. DualSense technology tailors the temperature and drum movement to the fabrics in your load. Every garment is automatically washed and dried in their optimal conditions to ensure that your clothes are protected and cared for. AEG ProSense measures the size of each load and adjusts the cycle times accordingly. This prevents overwashing and overdrying, keeping your laundry feeling fresh and new after every cycle. With Woolmark Blue Accreditation for both the wash and dry cycles, you can prolong the life and quality of your woolen garments. Look your best in clothes that have been cleaned with care with this AEG washer-dryer.